Turnkey opportunity in popular Covella estate. Welcome to 9 Swensen Street, Greenbank, don't hesitate. Smart and stylish, ready for its new owners now. A modern 2-story beauty, let me show you how. Built in 2022 on 294 square meters wide. Rendered walls and comfort waiting for you inside. For families, first home buyers, investors too. A move-in ready dream that's waiting just for you. Step inside, feel the light. Open spaces done just right. It's modern comfort, functional design, low maintenance living, and it's all so fine. Slide the doors, let the fresh air flow. Outdoor entertaining steals the show. Room for kids and pets to play. Year-round living every day. At 9 Swensen Street, you'll see your next chapter starts with the key. Tile floors guide you through the ground floor plan. Kitchen, lounge, and dining blend just as they began. Air-conditioned comfort are spacious and bright. Stainless steel appliances shining in the light. Stone Island bench at the heart of the scene. 5-burner gas cooktop, cooking like a dream. Large oven, glass range hood, pantry stacked with space. Cabinetry galore in this style, it's great. Head upstairs, take a look, another cozy corner.